Assalamu alaikum. This is the lesson of history class 8 Baradari campus Gujarat. Students, today we will do the exercise of chapter number 1 consolidation of the British rule. Number 4 is filling the blanks. Number 1, Charles Wood had presented his educational plan in dash, which is known as Wood Dispatch. We will write 1854 in the blank. Number 2 is under Indian Act of dash 6 were granted separate electorate. We will write 1919 in the blank. Under Indian Act of 1919, 6 were granted separate electorate. Number 3 is the Mughal Emperor dash awarded many concessions to East India Company. We will write Nuruddin Muhammad Jahangir in the blank. The Mughal Emperor Nuruddin Muhammad Jahangir awarded many concessions to East India Company. Number 4 is under Indian Act of 1919, the Executive Council was composed of dash houses. We will write 2 houses in the blank. After the War of Independence of 1857, dash became rulers of whole. We will write British. After the War of Independence of 1857, British became rulers of whole. Next is question number 5. Relate the words of column A with column B. Write correct answer in column C. Number 1 is Indian Act of 1909. We will match with in column B Morley Minto reforms. यानी इंडियन एक्ट 1909 का दूसरा नेम क्या था? मॉर्ले मिंटो रिफॉर्म्स. Number 2 is Indian Act 1919. We will match with Montag Chelmsford reforms. यानी इंडियन एक्ट 1919 का दूसरा नेम क्या था? Montag Chelmsford reforms. Number 3 is Lord Canning. We will match with first Viceroy of India. यानी लॉर्ड कैनिंग कौन था? फर्स्ट वाइसराय ऑफ इंडिया. नंबर 4 इज इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ जीपीओ एट लाहौर. वी विल मैच विथ 1887. यानी लाहौर में जीपीओ कब इस्टेब्लिश हुआ? 1887 में. लास्ट इज इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. वी विल मैच विथ 1600. यानी ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी कब इस्टेब्लिश हुई? 1600 में. Students, now we will do the long question answers. So question number 1 is write a note on East India Company. Answer. The first heading is establishment of East India Company. Before the arrival of British in India, Arab traders used to visit India for the purpose of trade. They pursued trade with India and earned huge profit. They began to take Indian goods to Europe for trade purpose and developed good relationship with European people. The European traders also wished to do the trade with India at their own. First of all, Portuguese traders came to India and earned huge profit, followed by British and French traders. The British traders superseded other European nations in trade with India. In 1600, the British traders, after getting royal permission from the Queen of England, established East India Company for the purpose of trade. Now the second heading is East India Company and Mughal period. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir facilitated the company and exempted it from the various trade taxes, which made British happy, and they built many trade centers in India. When Shah Jahan became emperor, the company got more trade facilities and concessions. After the death of Aurangzeb, the later Mughal king were weak and lost control as the central authorities due to the internal intrigues and weak political condition of India. The last Mughal king proved very weak and could not stand against the British. After the War of Independence of 1857, the company took over the region of India. Student, you have to write this long question answer on your notebook.